Hi guys, in today's video with VinylCut we'll be looking at making rotated duplicates of shapes. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found at softwaretraining.co.za. We also do make new videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Now, let's say we want all these arrows to be pointing at the heart, and instead of copying it and customly rotating it, there's an easy way to do that. You can also make quite unique shapes if you use this technique. It doesn't have to be something pointing at something. It could just be like a star or like sun rays going around or something like that. But in any case, so we'll start off by copying it. Then what we'll do is we'll go to our object on top, or object menu. Then we go down to duplicate, rotate. Shortcut for that is Control-Shift-key. If we click this, then the pop-up box for the rotate duplicate will appear. Now here we've got the total copies, the direction we want the duplicate to go, and we want it to rotate evenly or asymmetrical or something in that line. So let's first start with duplicates. So let's make for now about 3. Then the next thing we want to do, we've got the horizontal offset. Let's keep it on 2, then you can see what that does. That'll be, on your horizontal axis, what's the offset. For this, we'll keep it at 0. Let's go to about 3 for now. And then we set the rotate V offset for vertical. Now this, we'll adjust it. So we can adjust it so it feels like it hearts nicely in the center there. Then, once again, we can also say group duplicates. So once it's done, on the layers panel, there won't be many arrows. There'll only be one arrow group, and inside of that will be the arrow. So we'll leave that on for now. Click OK. Then if we have all this selected, we can just move it so everything's a bit more on the center and the mat. And now if we look here by our layers, we've got the layers there. So if we open it, here's the individual layers grouped. Now if we move the arrows, it will move them all together. And just a reminder, if you want to ungroup it, you can always just go once again to object on top. Then you go to ungroup, which will be Control-Shift-G. And now as you can see on the right, they are all individual layers. In any case, that is the basics on rotating a duplicate, or duplicate rotate. And it's quite a handy tool if you want to save time in scenarios like this. Otherwise, if we head to our website here, if you go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find training videos like this one we just did, and also more videos like this. You can also see we've got quite a variety of different software we do cover. And if you're looking for anything specific, just go on top here to search. We also, if you cannot find what you're looking for, or you want something done that you do not find on the list, then you can also go here, request a training video, and we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.